If you're looking for a really special houseplant, you want to try one of these. This is a Calathea. There's a lot of different varieties of this. This particular one has this beautiful marking on the, look at that on the foliage. Almost looks as if it's been hand painted. And it keeps this foliage all year round inside your home. It doesn't like a lot of changes in temperature, so don't put it by a door where there might be a bit of a draft or right above a radiator or something. Just in a spot inside a room that's got quite constant temperature. Water little and often. And this will grow into a fairly good sized plant. It's incredibly easy to keep. And such exotic foliage really adds something. It originates from Brazil, so you can see why it's got that sort of like really tropical feeling. Now, for more information on this particular plant and 49 other plants in my new book, My Houseplant Changed My Life, it highlights the plant itself and lots of different traits and how it can thrive in your own home. For more information, you can just visit my website, daviddomoney.com.